Welcome back to the DEX Volume Bot channel, powered by Ranga Technologies. Imagine sending tokens to 1,000 wallets in just minutes. Sounds impossible, right? But with Solana Multisender, it's a reality. In today's case study, we'll walk you through how we completed this ambitious project, the tools we used, and the lessons we learned along the way. Let's dive in. Our goal was to send tokens to 1,000 recipients as part of an airdrop campaign. Each wallet needed to receive a specific amount of tokens, and accuracy was non-negotiable. Using traditional methods, this would have taken hours or even days, with countless manual steps. But thanks to Solana Multisender, we were able to automate the process and complete it in just a few minutes. Here's how we made it happen. The key tools we used for this project were 1. Phantom Wallet, a trusted Solana wallet for storing and managing tokens. 2. CSV file. We prepared a spreadsheet with the wallet addresses of all recipients and the corresponding token amounts. 3. Solana Multisender app, the core tool that allowed us to batch the transactions into one seamless process. After ensuring our wallet was funded with enough SOL to cover transaction fees, we were ready to begin. Here's how the process unfolded. 1. Connect the wallet. First, we connected our Phantom wallet to the Solana Multisender platform. 2. Upload the CSV file. Next, we uploaded the file containing all recipient addresses and token amounts. The tool automatically validated the data for any errors, saving us a lot of headaches. 3. Select the token. We chose the token to distribute from our wallet. 4. Review and confirm. Double-checking the details was crucial. We reviewed the total number of recipients, token amounts, and transaction fees. 5. Execute the transaction. With everything verified, we hit send, and the magic began. Within seconds, the blockchain started processing the batch transaction, and in just a few minutes, the tokens were distributed to all 1,000 wallets. Of course, no project is without its challenges. Here's what we encountered and how we solved them. 1. CSV file errors. Initially, our file had formatting issues, which the platform flagged. We corrected these by ensuring every address was valid and properly formatted. 2. Insufficient funds. We underestimated the SOL required for transaction fees. Adding extra SOL to the wallet solved this instantly. 3. Network congestion. During peak times, transactions were slightly delayed. Scheduling the transfer during off-peak hours improved the speed dramatically. These small adjustments ensured a smooth and successful distribution. Here are the key lessons we learned from this experience. 1. Test before you go live. Always run a small test transaction to ensure your settings are correct. 2. Prepare your data carefully. Double-check your CSV file to avoid errors that can delay the process. 3. Monitor gas fees. Although Solana fees are low, having a buffer ensures you won't run into issues. 4. Leverage Solana's speed. Solana Multisender is incredibly efficient. Use it to save time and resources for large-scale distributions. With these takeaways, future projects will be even smoother. And that's how we successfully sent tokens to 1,000 wallets in record time using Solana Multisender. Now it's your turn to give it a try. Here are a few questions for you. 1. Have you used Solana Multisender for your projects? 2. What challenges have you faced with large-scale token transfers? 3. What features do you think would improve the tool? 4. Are there other blockchain tools you'd like us to review? If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell for more insights into blockchain tools and case studies. Don't forget to check out the related videos on your screen for more tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.